As baby boomers age, more will need help from their children and family with daily living and in-home medical care.
So a new trend is emerging. CBS 2's consumer reporter Kristen Cole finds sons and daughters now have a way to get paid to care for their own parents.
52 million family caregivers are providing some sort of care to a parent or other elderly family member. Generally, it's done for free, but some are now finding a way to get paid for their work.
I don't have to worry about a thing.
Jim Russell is just one of the thousands of elderly in New York who require help on a daily basis. Many rely on family, which can be a heavy economic burden.
There are children who, I think, may be giving up a job or working less.
Children spend on average $5,500 a year to care for aging parents in commuting costs and more. But now they may be able to get paid by parents to give that care. Using a caregiver contract, families formulate how much time is spent caring for an elder, determining the pay scale according to market rate, and pay the child. It's estimated families provide some $375 billion of unpaid home care to elderly family members annually.
It's really the middle class who are in danger of having their entire life savings wiped out.
Family care can be a wise economic choice. Care at home by outsiders costs $10,000 a month or more, $15,000 a month for a New York nursing home. A caregiver contract will cost about $1,500 to $5,000 to draw up with an attorney.
And if it were so simple as, put the pieces of the puzzle together, then anybody and everybody could do it.
In addition to having your children come and care for you in your home, there are a variety of free and low-cost services provided by your state or local government to also help you out. For links to those, head to our website, WCBSTV.com. I'm Kirsten Cole, CBS 2 News.
The value of family caregiving actually exceeds total Medicaid spending by some $60 billion a year.